Graphic design is everywhere. It's on Facebook ads, in the streets, and even it's on a cup that you're holding. Raffles is internationally recognized design college. You don't need to be a pro to get started. Just bring your passion, and that's more than enough for this program. Hi, I'm Jonathan from the Philippines, and I've been teaching in various international schools, working at Raffles since 2017, and currently the lecturer for the graphic design program here at Raffles. Graphic design is more than just making a piece of artwork look beautiful. It's the art of visual communication. It's helping people understand ideas, tell stories, and feel emotions through the aesthetic of images and the beauty of artwork. Graphic design is everywhere. You see it in the streets. It's on Facebook ads, and even it's on a cup that you're holding. It's a powerful tool that shapes how we share messages to the world. Raffles is internationally recognized design college with various branches in many cities. Its programs are up to date, and it produces professionals that are able to contribute and have great impact in the industries they go to. You don't need to be a pro to get started. Just bring your passion and an open mind, and that's more than enough for this program. So if you have a passion for creative and critical thinking skills, try graphic design at Raffles.
Every dream becomes reality at Raffles.